The residential plumbing system, covering its essential components and functions. Point 1. Water supply system. Supply lines deliver clean water from the main source municipal supply or well to fixtures, sinks, showers, toilets, etc. Shut-off valves allow water flow control to individual fixtures for maintenance. Water meter measures water usage in municipal systems. Pressure regulator maintains optimal water pressure to prevent pipe damage. 2. Drain waste vent (DWV) system. A. Drainage pipes, main stack vertical pipe, primary pipe carrying wastewater downward to the sewer or septic system. Branch drains, horizontal pipes connecting fixtures, sinks, toilets, etc. to the main stack. DWV pipes transport wastewater and sewage away from the house. Beam traps, P-traps, U-shaped pipes under sinks, showers, and tubs that hold water to block sewer gases from entering the home. Toilet trap, built-in trap prevents gas escape while allowing to pass. C. Ventilation system, vent pipes extend through the roof to allow air into the drainage system, maintaining pressure balance. Air admittance valves AAVS, alternative vents where roof vents aren't feasible that let air in but prevent gas escape. Point 3. Wastewater disposal, main sewer line carries all wastewater from the house to the municipal sewer or septic tank. Septic system, if applicable, treats and disposes of wastewater on site, tank plus drain field. Point 4. Cleanouts and maintenance. Cleanout plugs, access points for removing clogs in drain pipes. Inspection chambers allow checking and cleaning of sewer lines. 5. System functioning. 1. Water flows in through supply lines to fixtures. 2. Wastewater drains through branch pipes into the main stack. 3. Vent pipes maintain air pressure, ensuring smooth drainage. 4. P-traps block gases while allowing waste to pass. 5. Waste exits through the sewer line to treatment as septic. This structured system ensures efficient water supply, proper drainage, and ventilation for a safe and functional plumbing setup.